It's the most useful in our life. Look around your home or classroom. Can you see something we get from plants? Plants make the world beautiful. How does plant help us? Plants help us in many ways. They give us oxygen, shelter and food. They give us other necessary things that we use in our daily lives. Let's see what are the other uses of plants. Other things we get from plants are wood, fiber, medicine, rubber, paper, gum. So many things we get from plants. A place without plants look barren, as already we got to know. So, what are the uses of wood? Wood we get from plants help us in many ways. We make house, boat, furniture, etc. using wood. Wood is even used as fuel. Wood is also used for making pencil. Fiber. We also get fiber from plants. Some fiber giving plants are, don't forget the name, coconut, jute and cotton. We make different things using fiber like clothes, bags, sacks, so many things. Medicines. You must be wondering, how do we get medicine from plants? There are some plants which have medicinal values like neem, turmeric, eucalyptus, holy basil. Holy basil is known as tulsi. In India, tulsi is worshipped in many homes. Fragrance. We get fragrance from plants. Some example of these plants are rose, jasmine, lavender. And we use different things by using this fragrance like soap, perfume and all. Apart from this, there are some other necessary things like rubber we get from rubber tree, paper from bamboo plant, gum from acacia tree. So we have got to know about so many uses of plants. Thank you for watching.